Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is all about ideas signing in. So viewers, I am going to share with you a most stunning and beautiful and amazing wreath ideas. These are super incredible and very amazing wreath ideas for you guys. These are very unique and very pretty wreath ideas for you guys. You guys make these wreath design at home very easily. And if you want different other craft videos, then you also must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. Keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. These are super amazing and most unique wreath ideas for you guys. Always take care guys. Always be happy. These are super incredible and very unique wreath ideas for you guys. And these are super amazing wreath ideas for you guys. So you must make these wreath design at home. These are very beautiful and very amazing ideas for you guys. So hope so you like this video. So please click the like button, subscribe this video with your friends and with your family, and take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.